It's us again. We turned the light on this time.
I have gum.
We're eating gum. My little helpers are back. Yeah. Helper here. Not hamburger helper, our little helper. Right? It's a little chilly out.
I already said that in the first one.
Oh, sorry. I already said it in the first video. What else are we going to talk about then? Oh, my nose is itchy. What are we doing? What do you want to do? You want to make a video. So what kind of video do you want to make?
The tool one.
A tool video? What kind of tool do you want? You tell me you're eating gum. Oh, there's a tool video. Oh, Arco like this one. What is that?
A hammer.
Is it? What kind is it? Is it metal hammer? It's not metal. Oh, it's a rubber hammer.
Rubber hammer.
It's a rubber hammer. And what do you use rubber hammers for? You know why we use rubber hammers? I'll show you. Watch. If you use a regular hammer, see like this, it makes dents. It makes dents. See the dent right there? But you hit it with the rubber hammer, watch. Hit the table with the rubber hammer. There's no dents. It's for hitting stuff you don't want to make a dent. Then there's this one. You know what this one is? This is a brass hammer. It's made in the big reserve in China. Brass. See what brass is? Brass is softer than metal. So when you hit it, this doesn't dent, this dents. You know why? Because brass is softer than steel. Watch, you want to make a big dent in it? Watch this. See the big line it made? Watch this. See the line it made? It doesn't dent this one, it dents this instead. So if you want to hit a piece of metal and you don't want it to, let's say we don't want to scratch it, we'll use this. If you just want to tap it with that, you use the rubber one too. And we have another one too. See, look. I have two brass hammers. This is an old one. Looks cool. Hammer time.
It's heavy.
And there's this one. It's even heavier. This one's for beating on things. This one will make dents. Watch. See the big dent? There you go. This is my favorite one. And if the head comes off, see, watch, I'll show you. See, if it ever comes loose here, instead of tapping the top, you hit the bottom. And then the hammer head goes down. You always go like this. Let me find one, I'll show you. It's ever loose. See, like it might be loose there. You go like this, watch. See it go down? This part drops.
Look at that.
It's supposed to get your mouth. Chew on it. Weirdo. You know what this is? Look what I got. What's that?
Sheesh.
This is a spud wrench. Who makes this? There's a number on it. It's for doing ironworking. Something I've never done. But your grandpa used to ironwork. Keep it in your mouth. Don't play with your food. Don't play with it. What else do we got here? Look. A little big wrench. You know what that's for? For wrenching on things. Yeah, for wrenching on things.
Twisting stuff on here. I think. I think.
Cool, I like things like that. Want to see an even bigger wrench? Look over there. It's on the wall. Look how big it is. It's called an alligator wrench.
Where?
Right there. See that big thing on the wall? See right there? It's a giant. It's called an alligator wrench. Because the front looks like an alligator. Yeah, I got some crazy stuff.
Put this.
What? You put it over there? Again. I'll make it baby vice grips. Those are vice grips. You want to see the little ones? Stay here.
Okay.
I'll show you little ones. If I can get to them.
Dad, watch this.
Oh, don't do that. It's gonna hurt. Wait. Ouch. 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 Where's the little ones?
Not now. Real cool.
Look. Look, I got tiny ones.
That is real cool.
But wait, look. I got even smaller ones. Little tiny ones. Hey, cool, huh? These are crescent ones. I like these. They're very cool. I got miniature tools. 6 minutes of messing around with tools. It's good for your kids. Get them up playing with tools. Look. What are you doing? Look, this is the mama shark. Rawr. That's the baby shark.
This is the baby and this is the sister.
Yeah, and this is, what is the grandpa? Grandpa shark. This is the sister. That's the baby shark. Right there.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Want to see a grandpa shark? Look, I'll show you the grandpa shark. This is the vintage grandpa shark. See? Cool, huh?
Where's the grandma?
Grandma? Oh, she's probably right here. We'll say this one's a grandma, okay? See?
Grandma!
Grandma shark, look. Grandma. I'm gonna talk to you. Don't bite Grandma. You're biting Grandma. Grandma shark. We started our own kids' tool channel. Kids with tools. All the dangers of owning tools, huh? Okay, you want to stop the video now? It's too long. Okay, hit the button before you pinch your nose off. Oh, hit the button.